Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a couple of unconventional methods that some users have reported that may help enable your mobile gaming option on your TikTok live streaming. So we will be covering a region-based trick and a method for gaining followers. This process is a bit different, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So before we start, it's absolutely essential to understand that the method in this video involves letting someone log into your TikTok account. Sharing your login information with anyone is extremely risky and goes against TikTok's terms of service, so it can lead to your account being compromised or even stolen. So this video is for informational purposes only, documenting a method that some users have discussed online. We do not endorse sharing your account details, and you should proceed with extreme caution and at your own risk. The official way to get live features is by meeting TikTok's requirements and waiting for the feature to be rolled out to your own account. So the first method is based on the idea that the mobile gaming feature is more readily available in certain regions, like the Middle East. So it requires you to have a trusted friend living in those areas. So the process is like this. First, you'll need to find a friend or someone you trust completely who lives in a region like Dubai or elsewhere in the Middle East. Again, this is very risky. You would need to provide them with your TikTok login information. Then, your friend would log into your account from their location. According to this method, because they are in a different region, the mobile gaming option may become available on your account instantly. So, to make this feature stick to your account, your friend would need to start a mobile gaming live stream from your account and run it for about 5 to 10 minutes. After the stream is over, they must log out of your account completely. Then, you can log back into your account from your own phone, and if the method was successful, the mobile gaming option should now be available for you in your particular region. To go live in the first place, you typically need at least 1,000 followers. In order to gain followers the fastest, you can just simply use a follow-for-follow method, meaning you can directly follow someone and they will follow you back. So just simply follow 1,000 people and most of them will follow you back. So what you can do is you can try to find a well-known TikTok account and then just simply follow their followers. Once you reach the 1,000 follower mark, the features should automatically get unlocked on your phone. So that's it. These two are the only methods that you can try to get TikTok gaming on your phone. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.